Oftentimes I'm asked, what are some of the things that you do to be successful investing in the stock market? So I wanted to give you 6 rules for successful stock market investing. First, one of the most important things that most people don't realize that time is your friend when you're investing. Over long-term periods of time, the stock market has always gone up. If you hold investments for a minimum of 10 years, your chances of success is something like 98%. It's really important to understand that time is your friend. It's not your enemy. We've gotten into such short-term mentality of thinking that I think that most people don't realize, hey, if it's a good investment, the longer you hold it, the more chance you're going to be successful with it. So time is your friend in investing. Don't forget that. Number 2, good companies that earn good profits are usually good investments. Investing in the stock market is not really that complicated. If you really think about what are the best companies in America, what are the companies that are making the most money and growing that profit pie, those are usually good investments. So you don't have to overthink this whole process. And I think that's a really important thing, that some of the best investments are right under your eyes. They're the companies that you use all the time and that you love. Now there's a lot to investing, so I don't want to simplify something that can be complicated. But in the end, good companies are the best companies in the world, and you probably already know what those are. Number 3, don't listen to stock tips. I hear this all the time from people, and I just don't understand why they listen to people who tell them they should be buying this or they should be buying that. In the end, those people are telling you for a reason, and that reason is usually not per se to help you make money. It's not that they're trying to per se hurt you, but there's just no reason why you would think that a tip about a stock would somehow be an easy way to make money. And in the end, there's a very famous term, it's called pump and dump, which is if a lot of people are telling you to buy a stock and the price is going up, usually there are people who want you to buy their stock so that they can sell it. So stay away from tips. It can be a very dangerous way to invest your money. Number 4, it is very important to be comfortable cutting your losses. No stock investor is right all the time. And in fact, none of us are right all the time. I've been investing in the stock market since I've been 13 years old. And one of the lessons that I think is most important is cut your losses. It's really important. We have very strict rules. If a stock goes down 15%, from the point we buy it, we sell it. Oftentimes they continue to just go down and down and down, and there's the one thing that can really hurt investment performance is a really bad stock. So it's okay to be wrong, sell the investment, and move on to your winners. Focus on your winners, stay away from your losers. Another really important rule to being successful with investing in the stock market is not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's really important to own several different companies, not just one. You might really like this one company and you own stock in one company, and that might do well for a certain amount of time. But if something happens or something changes, you could end up losing a lot of your profit or your principal as well. Diversify your investments among different great companies in different industries, and what you end up getting is the same potential for good performance, but you also will protect yourself because certain industries go in and certain industries go out, and so we want to have diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Number 6 rule is if you're not sure about what you're doing with investing, get a professional. This is hugely important. I can't stress to you how much that oftentimes investing involves a lot of emotion because it's your money. And having a professional that can help you understand the emotions of the ups and downs of the stock market will help you get better results. Because ultimately, investing is an unemotional process, and that's what an advisor can really help you do. Why not get the help of a professional? I think it's really, really important to do, and ultimately will help you be much more successful investing in the stock market. What I'm giving you today are 6 rules to help you get better results in the stock market. And I think if you apply these rules and if necessary get help from a professional, I think you'll find that you can do very well saving and investing for yourself.